Welcome to our football quiz. Today we will test your knowledge with the top 10 questions about football. Are you ready to show off your expertise? Let's get started. Question number 1. When was the first modern football game played? A. 1846. B. 1863. C. 1869. D. 1871. The correct answer is option C. 1869. Explanation. The first modern football game, referring specifically to American football, was played on 6 November 1869 between Rutgers and Princeton, then known as the College of New Jersey. This game is widely regarded as the first intercollegiate football game in the United States. The game was played with a set of rules that combined elements of soccer and rugby, rather different from the American football we know today. Question number 2. Who invented the football game? A. Walter Camp. B. William Webb Ellis. C. Johan Cruyff. D. Pele. The correct answer is option B. William Webb Ellis. Explanation. William Webb Ellis, a student at rugby school in England, is often credited with inventing the football game when he picked up the ball and ran with it during a soccer match in 1823. This act laid the foundation for the creation of rugby football, which later evolved into modern rugby and American football. Question number 3. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles? A. Brazil. B. Germany. C. Italy. D. Argentina. The correct answer is option A. Brazil. Explanation. Brazil has won the FIFA World Cup a record 5 times: first, 1958, second, 1962, third, 1970, fourth, 1994, fifth, 2002. Their combination of skillful players and strong football culture has made them a dominant force in international football. Question number 4. Who holds the record for the most goals scored in a single World Cup tournament? A. Miroslav Klose. B. Just Fontaine. C. Pele. D. Gerd Müller. The correct answer is option B. Just Fontaine. Explanation. Just Fontaine of France scored 13 goals in the 1958 World Cup in Sweden. This remains the highest number of goals scored by a player in a single World Cup tournament. Question number 5. Which club has won the most UEFA Champions League titles? A. FC Barcelona. B. Bayern Munich. C. AC Milan. D. Real Madrid. The correct answer is option D. Real Madrid. Explanation. Real Madrid has won the UEFA Champions League 14 times, the most in the competition's history. Their dominance is highlighted by their 5 consecutive wins from 1956 to 1960 and their recent success in the 2010. Question number 6. Who is the only player to have won the Ballon d'Or 7 times? A. Cristiano Ronaldo. B. Johan Cruyff. C. Lionel Messi. D. Michel Platini. The correct answer is option C. Lionel Messi. Explanation. Lionel Messi has won the Ballon d'Or award 7 times: 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2015, 2019, and 2021 more than any other player in history. This award is given annually to the best football player in the world. Question number 7. Which country hosted the first FIFA World Cup? A. Brazil. B. Italy. C. Uruguay. D. France. The correct answer is option C. Uruguay. Explanation. The first FIFA World Cup was held in Uruguay in 1930. Uruguay also won the tournament, defeating Argentina 4-2 in the final. Question number 8. Which player is known as the King and is widely regarded as one of the greatest football players of all time? A. Diego Maradona. B. Pelé. C. Zinedine Zidane. D. George Best. The correct answer is option B. Pelé. Explanation. Pelé, born Edson Arantes do Nascimento, is often referred to as the King or Rei in Portuguese. He is celebrated for his incredible skill, sportsmanship, and contributions to football, having won 3 World Cups with Brazil, 1958, 1962, and 1970. Question number 9. What is the nickname of the English Premier League club Manchester United? A. The Reds. B. The Red Devils. C. The Blues. D. The Gunners. The correct answer is option B. The Red Devils. Explanation. Manchester United is commonly known as the Red Devils. The nickname originated in the 1960s when manager Sir Matt Busby wanted a more intimidating moniker for the club. Question number 10. Who is the all-time top scorer in the English Premier League? A. Wayne Rooney. B. Thierry Henry. C. Alan Shearer. D. Sergio Aguero. The correct answer is option C. Alan Shearer. Explanation. Alan Shearer is the all-time top scorer in the English Premier League with 260 goals. He scored these goals during his time with Blackburn Rovers and Newcastle United. Thanks for playing our football quiz. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes and football content. Thanks for watching.